Hi guys, Thomas Tank Engine 76 back again with another factory error video. Now here it is. It's going to be Charlie. Now we are going to be having a factory error review on Charlie. Now here's the factory error. Now here's the one that might have the factory error on the right and the correct one on the left. Now you might not see anything wrong with it. Well, that's because of the lighting. But when you take a closer look, you'll notice something really weird on these models. And here is the proof. Now as you put this down, it feels really different other than this model. Other than other Wooden Rally models, this one feels a lot different. Let me show you a model. This Harvey feels like it has the right paint. Even though it should have been painted maroon, but it actually feels like the real Wooden Rally models. This one also feels like the real wooden models, but this one doesn't. It feels like bumpy paint. The paint feels a bit bumpy on this Charlie. Now, you will also see another difference. Here it is. The name, the bottom, the words and numbers on the bottom, the symbols on the bottom were printed upside down. Upside down. Really? Wooden Rally, how can you mess up like this? The paint job is a bit messed up. When you rub the paint, it feels a bit messed up. It even feels like a knockoff. It doesn't even feel like a real engine. I did get this at Toys R Us, but it feels weird. Why? Why can't they get this model right? I have two Charlies. Basically, I have two Charlies. This one came with the signal station, I think. I don't know what it was, but it was a signal station. It came with one of the signal stations. But this is something that doesn't really bother me, but kind of is a bit wrong. There's a few differences on these Charlies. This one has the white light on the lamp, but this one actually does not. This part doesn't have the white painted on it. Kind of a bummer to me. Now, this one has a black line, while this one is lacking it. Well, wait a minute. It actually doesn't lack it. If you look very carefully, you can see it's kind of hard to see. But on this model, it's actually kind of easy to see. But, they did okay with. They did actually really good with the model. This one's okay, but it could be a bit improved. It could have some improvements. And the back is actually a bit the same. However, the paint job in this Charlie's a lot different than this one. This one, well, has a bit violet color. The color's a bit like violet. This one's actually the correct purple one, I think. Well, basically that's all I have to say about this. Now, when you flip this over, the Charlie is printed upside down, but I think I already told you this. This one's printed correctly, this one's printed incorrectly. But I think I already told you enough about these. See ya. I think this is my longest factory error video yet. Bye.